make this scenery, you have to open any browser. I am opening the Chrome one. From here, you have to type JS Paint. Initial level, we have done the practice on Pen for Android app, but now we are doing online practice on browser, and you have to type JS Paint. A desktop user, you can do on Microsoft Paint also. So this is similar as Microsoft Paint. Now I am rotating mobile because I want horizontal view. Here you can see all the tools, left side. Now from here I am selecting pencil tool, and I am making 2. Fine. Now I'll join like this. Make sure that your shape should be closed. I'm clicking on edit because I have done wrong line, and undo to remove last action. One more time, undo to remove last. Fine. Now I am selecting now I'll select oval tool. Fine. Now to fill color, you have to select color bucket near eraser. This is color bucket, you can say color bucket or paint bucket, and fill with color also. So I've selected. Now I'm clicking on colors to select the colors. I'm selecting yellow color. Okay. Now again I'm clicking on color option, edit color, and I'm selecting red color. Okay. Now I'll select black color. Fine. Now I have done one image. Now how to copy and paste. To copy and paste, first you have to select the object, or you can say select the image. So you can see the first option near star. First option I'm selecting the square one, dotted square. So I've selected. Now you have to click on at the top side, top corner, and drag it down like this. I'm dragging it down. So I've selected one image. Now how to copy? You have to click on edit option, edit from the menu, edit menu. Here you can see at the top side, top bar, edit. Now from here you have to select copy option, copy. Now click outside. Now again click on edit. Now what we have to do after copy? Paste. And this is another image, you have to drag it here. Means wherever you want to drag, you have to drag. Now here you can see a square and dot in between. From that dot, that is called resize option. So you can resize it, means you can decrease or increase the size. Fine. So I want that much size only. Now again I want one more option. I have done copy one time. You just have to click on edit option and click on paste and drag it where you want. I want to reduce the size. I want that much. Okay. Fine. So this is how I have done copy and paste from copy and paste option from edit menu. Now you have to select text tool, and here I am writing hello everyone, and I'm selecting I'm writing 14 here. I want 14 as font size. Now I'll write hello, hello, space bar, hello everyone, EVE, everyone. And if you want any emoticons, so you can put here. I'm putting smiley. Fine. So now I have done text tool also. Now I want to fill color with color bucket, and I'm selecting color from the color option, edit color, select I'm selecting color related with water. Okay. Now again I'm selecting a pencil tool to make water waves. So I'm selecting blue color, shades of blue color, because I want to show water. Fine. So this is my scenery, and here today I have done copy and paste option from the edit menu. Thank you so much children. Please try at home. Thank you. Be safe and healthy.